welcome everyone. This is meeting 219 and we have the pleasure to have Mr. Vaishnav here with us, and sir, it's so great to have you. We're going to have a lot of questions for you, and
Sure.
we're just looking to learn and just explore different things.
I'll try my very best to answer these questions, and essentially this will be based on my personal experience. I have not read anything, any scripture, any systematic approach for meditation.
Great, sir. So before we talk about the spiritual journey, we would love to know about your journey before that. So your career journey, your professional journey. If you could take us through that a little bit.
Sure. I joined this PSU on 26th of December 1985 with my posting in Mumbai. Thereafter Pune, Goa, Udaipur, Jaipur, Delhi. So, as you would be knowing, in PSUs and government sector or classroom officers, transfers are frequent. So that's how I worked at these places. And the last assignment was in Corporate Office, Delhi. From there I retired in July 2018, and thereafter I settled in Jaipur. So around a year before retirement, I got in touch with Isha Sadhguru, and as you can see, the life took off from there.
So you've been following your spiritual journey for almost a year, right, sir? So, did this happen by chance, or was it a calling from within? Like Hamisha say, "Aisi calling rahi hai."
I think I had this streak because in my family, my mom used to meditate. She would get up at 2:30 and then be ready, and by 3:20 when the Brahma Muhurtam starts, she'll start her meditation. And we had a traditional ritualistic kind of puja and all those kind of things. So that background was there. But somewhere around that, even with that background, I was missing something. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ piece missing है, inadequacy जो है. तो one of my friend, it was February 1994. You can say that's when a systematic approach started. But with professional job, family, it was on and off. Nothing could really take off. I tried Yogoda Satsang Society, then RCM, that is Ramchandra Mission. They are all genuine. Vipassana also, they are also genuine. But finally, when I got in touch with Isha and Sadhguru, I think it was docking with the main ship. So thereafter, I thought that yes, I am the right place, and that's how this journey started.
Wonderful, sir. So I guess a mix of both. कि पहले से inclination था, and then we just found the right place to be.
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये स्ट्रीक डेफिनेटली थी. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. जैसे प्रॉब्ली काफ़ी लोगों के साथ होता है, मैं कुछ करना तो चाहता हूँ, पाना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं मैं कैसे करूँ, किसे अप्रोच करूँ, वेयर टू अप्रोच. सो आई यूज्ड टू बाय बुक्स हियर एंड देयर. जैसे डैडी में अगर कोई रहे तो वो ओल्ड बुक्स का पहले संडेज को लगता था सॉर्ट ऑफ मेला एंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग. तो वहाँ से काफ़ी किताबें भी खरीदी, काफ़ी चीज़ें देखी, बट कहीं भी मुझे कोई एक सेटिस्फेक्शन या एक वो रास्ता नहीं मिला. सो दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड.
So, almost for a decade you are doing this. So, आपके experience में, what is the toughest thing that people face while meditating?
The toughest thing I tell you, they try to meditate, they put in efforts to meditate, and that's probably when you approach meditation with that, then probably you will not be able to, in my experience, will not be able to achieve what we want to do. And that is the reason, like लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे दिमाग में thoughts बहुत आते हैं, मैं परेशान होता हूँ, मैं विचारों से कैसे छुटकारा पाऊँ, and like that. तो आप जब ये सोचते हैं that I want to get rid of thoughts, that's it. वो थॉट्स एक के बाद incessant आएंगे ही आएंगे. One disciple wanted to have Guru Mantra from his Guru. तो गुरु ने उसको जो भी दिया मंत्र, उसके साथ उसने ये बोला कि बस जस्ट उसने पूछा गुरु से कि मुझे क्या प्रिकॉशन लेनी है. He said like, but don't think of monkeys. So whenever you would sit for meditation, it's only monkeys, monkeys and monkeys. So whatever you want to get rid of, mind की nature ही ऐसी है, वो उसी पे bounce करेगा. So the best course is to not try to control thoughts. वैसे भी आप देखिए, आपका लीवर काम करता है, आपका हार्ट काम करता है, आपकी किडनी काम करती है, आप उनको रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं क्या? Likewise, your mind is also your organ. Why to stop? But फिर क्वेश्चन यहाँ खड़ा होगा probably. Then what to do? Yes, try to maintain a distance from the thoughts. Let the thoughts be there. You don't get carried away. So this is the toughest, I believe, challenge for people when they want to meditate. Second challenge is probably they are not getting, हम सब जब मेडिटेशन सीखना चाहते हैं कहीं ना कहीं किसी को ढूंढते हैं, कहाँ से सीखें? बुक से सीख सकते हैं, यूट्यूब से सीखते हैं, या व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ आ जाए उससे सीखने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो सोर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप ऑथेंटिक सोर्स से अगर आप सीखेंगे एंड सिस्टमेटिकली सीखेंगे, like get initiated, then it's altogether different thing. Then you don't have to do it. It happens. And when it starts happening, flowing through you, that's the right thing.
Okay, so I think कहीं ना कहीं हम सबके संग होता है that we pick up tips here and there, तो हम उनको practice करते हैं.
Systematically हम शायद उतनी कोशिश नहीं कर पाते अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में, इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं. तो to start, anybody wants to do meditation in a proper way, बिगनिंग यहीं से होनी चाहिए कि आप ऑथेंटिक सोर्स से सीखें.
So अभी थोड़ी इस बारे में बात भी हुई थी. So our next question is people now take meditation as medication. मतलब कोई disease है तब लोग शुरुआत करते हैं. So what is your take on that?
Okay, first let us look at the word disease. Dis-ease. When you are not at ease. So that's when people want to turn towards meditation. As a medication, yes, most of the people they do that way. उनको BP हो रहा है, they would like to do meditation. Sugar है, depression है, they would like to do meditation. There is nothing wrong to my mind. लेकिन इसमें दो एस्पेक्ट हैं, curative medication and preventive medication. So अगर प्रिवेंटिव मेडिकेशन के रूप में आप मेडिटेशन करते हैं, देन डेफिनेटली डिजीज वाली स्टेज तक आपको जाना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. जैसे लाइक हम कोविड के लिए वैक्सीन यूज करते हैं, तो कोविड से आपका फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट यू, और मे बी इवन इफ इट अफेक्ट्स यू, इट वोंट टेक ए सीरियस टोल ऑन योर हेल्थ और मेंटल वेलबीइंग. तो प्रिवेंटिव मेडिकेशन के रूप में अगर हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं, यस दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. लेकिन अगर आप क्यूरेटिव के रूप में करते हैं तो आपका दिमाग तो फोकस रहेगा. हर 7 दिन में आप देखेंगे मेरा बीपी कम हुआ, मेरा डिप्रेशन कम हुआ, एंड दैट्स द फर्स्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग मेडिटेशन. यू जस्ट ऑफर योरसेल्फ टू मेडिटेशन एंड हैव व्हाटएवर यू गेट.
That's something that we don't generally think about. हम वो एक गोल फिक्स कर देते हैं, शायद उसी को एक्सप्लोर करते रहते हैं कि वो अचीव हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, बट वी डोंट जस्ट गिव आवरसेल्व्स टू दैट प्रोसेस. सो समथिंग वी नीड टू रिमेंबर, आई थिंक. सो आई थिंक पहले भी कॉन्वर्सेशंस में हमारे टीम के संग आपने बताया है दैट दिस स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी हैज कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड यू एट ऑल लेवल्स, राइट? सो किस टाइप का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं?
This is a lot. It may take a lot of time. I'll try to be as brief as possible. Vidit has already kept a timekeeper, so I'm looking at him only constantly. क्यों कब घंटी बजाएंगे, कब मुझे रुकना है? It's okay. Just lighter side. We can look at it like this. At body level, physical body level, there's a lot of change. Like जब मैंने शुरू किया था, I was 58, now I'm 67 years old. When I studied, I had completed 58. और एक mindset इस तरह का बनता जा रहा था that I'm retiring, things are over for me, it's a sunset, and जैसे होता है ना जिंदगी को समेटने में लगे हुए थे. But after this, it's a tremendous change. It's rejuvenation in any possible way. I don't feel that I'm old, I'm getting old, or in any way I feel disabled. अगर स्पेसिफिक चीजों पे जाए तो लाइक I don't have any disease, touch wood. I was on the border of BP, it is gone. I had a fatty liver, it is gone. I had I would not say depression, but maybe it was towards that. It is no more there. I put on my specs. My number has come down. Reading glasses number has come down. Distance, the specs have gone, and lot many things on physical level. Mental level, I used to be very, what to say, nasty person. I did not have any patience. It was not possible for me to hear the person. Midway, I will think that yes, I know what he is trying to say, and I will snap and I will react. I am not using the word respond, I will react. So that patience I did not have. Emotionally, I was unstable, definitely, and a lot of things, But things have settled down now. Intensity and frequency has gone down tremendously. It's not that it doesn't happen now, but it's a very feeble way. I have control over myself. That is about emotions and mental. And then, have you come across any situation when you are happy just by your own nature, without any reason? If I get promotion, I can be happy. I get a new car, I can be happy. But without anything outside stimulation, have you ever felt happy? I am fortunate that yes, I feel happy, satisfied, contented, peaceful, joyful.
That's wonderful, sir. Literally transformation at in every aspect of life. That's absolutely wonderful.
But one thing, I never tried to see कि मुझ में कितना change है. I simply offered myself. That's all. That's very important.
I think that's really wonderful.
And from the kind of meditation I do, it is a concentrated meditation. प्राण प्रतिष्ठित जिसे अपन कहते हैं, तो उसका इफेक्ट एक डिफरेंट ही होता है.
Wow. So definitely something we all kind of need to think about, because हम काफी सारी चीजों को कई बार analyze नहीं करते हैं खुद में, and perhaps meditation is the way to kind of let ourselves be.
Way in is the only way out.
Way in is the only way out. Wow. Way in is the only way out. So we have a few of our members have shared some questions that they have, and so I'll just be going through those. Right? So our first question is from Udit sir, and he wants to know why mornings are considered the best time to meditate.
On surface level, if you see that you have just started your day, you are not involved in activity, so generally you are focused, peaceful. But there is another dimension also. In the morning, what we call a Brahma Muhurtam, if you do meditation or any kriya or anything like that, puja or whatever we do, there is a natural support for upliftment of your life energies. It does support. Like I tell you one thing, महाशिवरात्रि we all know. आपने देखा होगा हमारी ट्रेडिशन में महाशिवरात्रि के दिन रात भर जागरण होता है, सब कुछ होता है. जागरण अपनी जगह. Essentially इसके पीछे जो साइंस है, you should not lie down. Your spine should not be horizontal. It should be vertical. Because उस time planetary position कुछ इस तरह की होती है. Then you need strong natural support for upliftment of your energy. And meditation, and if you want to transcend beyond physicality, it's a strong help. तो ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में करने से फायदा होता है. उसके अलावा there are 4 संध्या कालास in 24 hours. Morning 5:40 to 6:20. So if you do meditation during that time, you get a natural support. Then 11:40 to 12:20, again you get a support. Then 5:40 to 6:20 in the evening, again helpful. Then in the night 11:40 to 12:20. But generally that is avoidable, the last one. Because if you try to do meditation or any spiritual activity, then it is said, my guru says, that very soon you'll be, feeling vairagya, and it's not very conducive for the family situation.
Okay. I hope everybody noted down the lines. Alright, so our next question comes from Rajesh ji. So for minimum, how much time should one meditate?
I think ये सभी के दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता होगा कि चलो अगर जैसे किसी ने 20 मिनट किया, चलो जैसे किसी 20 मिनट किया, छुट्टी, आई एम हैप्पी. बट टू माय माइंड इट्स नॉट द क्वांटिटी, इट्स द क्वालिटी. इवन इफ यू सिट फॉर 5 minutes, इट्स परफेक्टली ऑलराइट, बट यू शुड बी completely to the meditation. Offer yourself. Then it should not be like anger thoughts. I don't mean to say nahi aenge, but don't follow the thoughts. Try to keep a distance between you and your thought. That is mind. It is possible. Let me tell you. It is not theory. You and your body, you and your mind. So it's not the quantity as I time. It's the quality. So this is how I would like to respond to this question.
So.
Otherwise, whatever time you get, but you must, चाहे 5 मिनट के लिए करें, 20 मिनट के लिए करें, लेकिन you must get time for your meditation.
Quality over quantity. Perfect. So our next question is from Virji. He wants to know, how do we know that the meditation which we have performed was correct in terms of the process, in terms of whether we did it properly or not?
Again, I go back to what I said just a while ago, that आप जिस सोर्स से सीखते हैं, सोर्स and the instructor जो आपको सिखा रहा है, whether he is properly trained, if both the conditions are met, then there is nothing to worry. You just keep on going, and you will know for yourself कि मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Ultimately, ये सब करने के पीछे पर्पज ये हम अपने अंदर उस एबिलिटी को एक्टिवेट कर रहे हैं, जिसे यू कैन जज फॉर योरसेल्फ. मैं अगर किसी से पूछूंगा, मैम कहेगी हाँ आपने ठीक किया, विदित से कहेंगे नहीं थोड़ा सा ऐसे करना चाहिए था, अब टाइम कीपर विल से नहीं बहुत अच्छा है, गो हेड. तो देयर आर मेनी ओपिनियंस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंस. सो अगेन इट्स योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस व्हिच इज द पैरामाउंट थिंग, एंड दैट वी शुड गेट गाइडेड बाय दैट.
ओके, औरों की बात ज़्यादा नहीं सुनिए, गुरु की बात सुनिए और खुद के अंदर की.
हाँ, अगर आप सोच सीखे और आपने ढंग से इंस्ट्रक्टर से सुना है, सीखा है, that's enough.
Okay. All right. Next question we have is from Dr. Amrita. What impact did meditation have on your relationships with people?
Definitely, when you are peaceful and joyful within yourself, then when you deal with the people, be it your wife, well, this certificate can give, my wife only can give. She is the right person. She is not around. But be it your immediate family, distant family, friends, office colleagues, जब आप में impulsive और compulsive nature नहीं रहेगी, then definitely relations are going to be intact.
So more positivity towards.
वो automatically आएगी. I mean आप देखना भी चाहेंगे ना. As when I see myself, what I used to be about 8-10 years back and what I am today, I can feel a sea change in relationship also.
Something again to focus on. Our next question comes from Himanshu ji. He wants to know how to replicate the benefits of meditation in practical execution, planning and in real life.
We really do not have to do anything as such. Any special effects are not required. It happens automatically. Like I can again, my talk will be guided by my own experience only because I have not studied anything. When you develop a clarity, focus, and ability to see things as they are, you are mentally joyful. Your output is going to be definitely much better, quantity wise also and quality wise also. So it's not that मैंने ये सीखा और फिर मैं इसको इस तरह से अप्लाई करूँ. इनिशियली मे भी ऐसा लगे हमें, लेकिन एक्चुअल में ऐसा होता नहीं है, उसकी आवश्यकता भी नहीं है. It doesn't happen like that. It automatically flows out of you.
Okay. Sir, our next question comes from Sudha ma'am. How can you control the thoughts coming in your mind? थोड़ा सा आपने पहले भी बताया है इस बारे में.
अपनी जो अप्रोच है कि थॉट्स को कंट्रोल करना है, बस वहीं से मिस्टेक शुरू हो जाती है. वाई टू कंट्रोल थॉट्स? जैसे मैंने भी कहा था आपसे, आप अपने हार्ट को काम करने से कंट्रोल नहीं करते हैं, किडनी को नहीं करते हैं, लीवर को नहीं करते हैं, किसी चीज को नहीं करते हैं. देन वाई माइंड? इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ योर सिस्टम. So the best way is to create a distance between you and your thoughts. Thoughts रहेंगे. जैसे कई जो अलग सिस्टम्स हैं मेडिटेशन के, दे से दृष्टा भाव से देखिए अपने थॉट्स को. You keep yourself at a distance and look at the thoughts. Mind is a very useful tool, but it can be very जिसे हम कहते हैं कि इसे गुड सर्वेंट बट बैड मास्टर. एंड इफ द माइंड स्टार्ट्स कंट्रोलिंग यू, देन माइंड बिकम्स ए मिजरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री. सो सारा कुछ जो अनुभव होता है वो माइंड के लेवल पे होता है. अगर आप उसको जिस तरह से प्रोसेस करेंगे, किस तरह से रिसीव करेंगे, इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट. सो थॉट्स को टू माय माइंड एज आई अंडरस्टैंड कंट्रोल करने के एफर्ट्स नहीं करना चाहिए. जिस चीज को कंट्रोल करने का एफर्ट्स करेंगे वो इंसेंटली आपके ऊपर हावी होती जाएगी. इट विल टेक ओवर. आप करके देखिए, वो जो मंकी वाली बात वो है, रहने दीजिए. धीरे 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 आप अगर आधा घंटा बैठेंगे, वो चीज इतनी रिसीव हो जाएगी, उनकी इंटेंसिटी और फ्रीक्वेंसी दोनों ही रिसीव हो जाएगी. दे बिकम फीबल. Our friend is in depression now. Probably they must have experienced something like that. My son and my daughter, they have done Vipassana. So even I was to go, but in the process I got introduced to Isha, so now I'm fine.
Okay. So कहीं ना कहीं जो आप distance की जो बात कर रहे थे, that's more understanding कि thoughts में थोड़ा सा हमें
हैं और रहेंगे.
Okay, so our final question comes from Ms. Prerna, and she wants to know, and this is a very important question, when should we not meditate? When not to meditate?
While driving. Anyways, that was on the lighter side. That was on the lighter side. But Prerna ji, I just want to understand. I did not understand the question. When not to means like आपका पूछने का पर्पज इस तरह से है कि लेडीज स्पेसिफिक हैं या इन जनरल टाइम स्लॉट से स्पेसिफिक है. तो इफ यू कैन जस्ट टेल मी, मे बी आई कैन.
यस, तो दो चीज़ों से रिलेटेड है. यस, लेडीज स्पेसिफिक लाइक व्हेन दे हैविंग अ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल देन, और इज इट अबाउट लाइक समटाइम्स अ पर्सन इज इन लाइक टू मच नेगेटिव स्टेट में होते हैं, तो क्या तब मेडिटेशन नहीं करना चाहिए? बिकॉज आप इतने ज़्यादा नेगेटिव स्टेट में हो कि मे बी आई वाज लाइक कंफ्यूज्ड.
ओके. सो जहाँ तक एक लेडी के पर्सपेक्टिव से आप देखेंगे, एब्सोल्युटली इट डजंट डिसेबल यू. यू कैन डू योर मेडिटेशन एनी टाइम, एवरी टाइम, व्हेनेवर यू फाइंड टाइम. एब्सोल्युटली नो इश्यू. देन दूसरा जो है कि आप डिस्टर्ब हैं और आप मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, मेरे हिसाब से तो लॉजिकली करना चाहिए, सो दैट यू कैन सेटल डाउन. हाँ, वो जो शुरू के 10 से 15 मिनट होंगे आपके, वो टर्मोइल वाले होंगे, but धीरे धीरे if you can withstand that time, then it's going to settle down, and definitely it is going to help us.
So as such, there is no time when, aside from driving, there is no time when we can.
Whenever you find time, you do it, but the only condition is that please do it.
Thank you so much, sir, for answering these and the overall interaction as well. It's been absolutely wonderful.
It was my pleasure. Thank you so much to you and all our friends.
So now we have a chance to experience what we have discussed about. So we would love it if you could take us through a small journey of meditation.
Yeah, sure. Before we do, just a small, I'll take just few seconds. First of all, if possible, try to keep your logical mind slightly aside. Because essentially meditation is experiential. जब हम उसको इंटेलेक्ट के थ्रू ग्रास्प करने की कोशिश करते हैं, नहीं होगा, इट इज इल्यूजन. यू टू एक्सपीरियंस इट. तो उसके लिए हम सब पढ़े लिखे बहुत समझदार हो गए. हमारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स का लेवल है, ऐसा क्यों होता है नहीं होता है. सो फॉर ए मोमेंट कीप योर लॉजिकल माइंड असाइड एंड देन डू इट. दिस मेडिटेशन मे लुक्स वेरी सिंपल. इट इज सिंपल इंडीड, बट ये आपकी जो अंदर की लाइफ एनर्जी है, उनका जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो चेंज करता है. इफ यू डू इट फॉर one mandala, that is about 40 days to 48 days, when you can establish something in your system. If you can do that for that period, then you can see the results, feel the results, I have to say.
And keep a mild focus between your eyebrows. Now inhale and exhale slowly, slightly deeper than normal. With each inhalation, you take this thought: I am not the body. The inhalation should last the whole duration of the thought. With each exhalation,
It was a very unique experience. Thank you for sharing that with us.